men with beard or men without beard?
Men with beard, obviously.
Men with beard.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जिसकी मूछ नहीं उसकी पूछ नहीं. Hello everybody and look who we have with us today. We have Love and Khushi from Love Rudraksh.
Channel.
Yeah.
I just completed that, you know.
Stop promoting your channel for heaven's sake. Do you know what No Shave November is?
The money which you are spending in shaving your beard, you can you should donate that in the social cause that for cancer.
Yeah.
Apparently, people are not supposed to shave men. Yeah.
Yes, because you don't shave on November. This is what guys do. Like, really, you're gonna grow.
Why they have this? I know it pada the Facebook, but I forgot about that.
The reaon was, you know, for No Shave November is like, लड़के चाहते हैं कि वो हमेशा जवान रहे. क्योंकि you know, right? This science that if you grow beard and
I don't know if it's intelligent.
so you know, it like absorbs less water and something like that. So your face would be like.
भाई इतना
What
logical
scientific
answer.
reason? What scientific reason?
तालियां sound effect डाल दे रहे तालियां huge round of applause वाला.
I think the whole thing, maybe.
Oh yeah, the whole
this
thing.
not
that bad. Oh my god.
I don't know.
Okay, you grew that
Well,
bad?
I grow it, yeah, all the time.
Oh my god.
Every day.
We're not supposed to shave our beard. I mean, not we. Men. Same. No shaving, no waxing, nothing.
But why? Why no shaving, no waxing?
I look good.
It looks good. अच्छे शादी के रिश्ते आएंगे.
Save your money. It's more drastic. It's more.
No, I know it's actually an awareness campaign for prostate cancer. Also, they say the time you save while shaving, use it for awareness.
सिर्फ इसको पता है.
मैंने Google किया था.
But at least he knows.
Do girls find bearded men more hotter than the one who is shaved?
I'm a guy, I don't know.
don't know?
My girlfriend likes it, but I just have no beard, so.
Men without beard.
Without beard. She doesn't like men with beard.
Yeah.
Why is that? तो किस में problem होती है?
No, not really.
Beard, obviously.
तेरे को reject कर दिया.
I don't like beard.
You don't like beard?
No, I don't.
You don't like women with beard or you don't like?
Always without beard. So do you find bearded men hot?
Yes.
You find them hot?
Oh yes.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Hey, you're looking at me. Okay. How do you groom your beard? Do you use beard oils, other stuff?
Not actually.
Just let it grow.
Just grow freely.
Grow.
freely.
Even if it grows horny, you know? It goes wild.
I used oil, beard oil, and mustache.
कुछ भी नहीं करते. बस ऐसी घर की खेती है तो उगा लो. कुछ भी नहीं करते.
जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. क्यों? इतनी अच्छी है. ओ गन्ने के खेत में बाल लहराते हैं लड़कियों के, इनकी दाढ़ी लहराती है.
अरे मेरी तो हमेशा ही ऐसी रहती है मैं कभी काटता ही नहीं हूँ अपने आप बढ़ती रहती धीरे धीरे हम लाइक ओके कूल विद इट.
भाई ग्रूम करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? मतलब कोई तेल लगाते हैं? पतंजलि का तेल?
Nothing, never.
Nothing, never.
Trust me.
Okay.
Just
and
touch it, you will be like dead almost. Oh.
my mama is watching this video. And tell me, okay, so if given a chance, will you participate in this cause?
Yeah, sure.
How?
I guess we can donate money to the cancer patients. There are
Which part of your body will you not wax to participate in the cause?
wax. That is not possible, but yeah, I wouldn't go for my threading and all.
She won't go for this, so she is participating.
Yeah.
अच्छे भारतीय नागरिक.
My legs.
Okay. Her legs. She has beautiful legs, so she'll skip the waxing part.
Getting conscious.
Why? No, it's very tough.
Very tough.
For girls.
No shame.
No, I usually follow it during winters. No.
स्वेटर के नीचे किसको दिख रहा है कितने बाल है कितने नहीं है?
No, it's for a noble cause. Will you?
No.
Not at all.
Nah.
Come on.
So if given a chance, which part of your body will you not shave? What?
The part which doesn't come in use usually.
Excuse me, and what What is that? The nation wants to know. Now tell us, what is it? Now that you've said it, you'll have to tell us.
Just one word, V factor. V factor, V
Look
factor,
at
V
him. Oh
factor.
my
God, love. I won't shave any part of my body. There
Yeah,
you
actually,
go.
she don't even care about all these things. Like, she's least bothered. She's not even a girl, I feel sometimes.